Hello everyone, this is Ashipratap Singh. Welcome back to our channel Code Caddy. So in this video, we are going to understand deep copy and shallow copy. Okay. So first of all, I'll explain things by using my code. So here you can see I'm having this states called categories, price, brand, rating, and location. And some of them states are already selected. Like you can see here, I have pass selected true. Okay. Now if I show you some things from UI, so you can see here that these are the states I'm having and those are selected by default. Okay, and then we have two more states. Okay, then this is the state which is going to be used to update my filters. Okay, and this is going to be used to check my current state is different from my previous selected states. Okay, so what does this mean? So here you can see I'm having this filters. Okay, so this is the same state I'm talking about right now, and whenever I'm going to click here, so you can see things are changing. Okay, so but you can see this apply filter button is not enabled. I have selected things, but it is still disabled. So we'll discuss this problem later on. And this is the, you can see these are the states whenever we are going to update anything. So what we want, whenever we are updating anything, then this apply filter button should be enabled. Okay, but there shouldn't be any change under this current filter until we'll click on this apply filter. So let's refresh it again. So here you can see what is the matter. So this is the default state, and I have passed this state to both of these states. Okay, and whenever we are updating anything, then it is going to be update here. Okay, and whenever we are clicking on apply filter button, then we are directly passing that filter state. Okay, so what is the problem here, why this is happening? So whenever we are changing things here, then you can see my default states is also getting updated. So why this is happening? This is happening because of shallow copy. Okay, so here you can see I have this array, and we have directly passed it to my different state. That's why it is creating a reference between them, and whenever I am updating anything from this state or this state, then the main state is going to be updated. It's not only about the state, it's all about variable and the data structure. Okay, so if you are using object or an array, then this will happen, and if you are going to use some primitive data type, then you won't find this kind of situation. Okay, so we have got the problem. Then how to fix that? This is the thing, right? So here I'm having a different example called deep copy. Okay, so here let's refresh it again and click here. So these are my default state. Okay, and if I am going to click let's minimize this. So if I'm going to click on price range, then you can see my default state has not been any change, right? But and also this current filter has also there is no change. Okay, but once we will click on this apply filter, then there will be some change. And this is the thing we want, because once these two of these states having a different value, then only this apply filter button should be enabled, otherwise not. So let's click here, then the same situation comes here, and you can see default states are not going to be changed because we have broken the reference. So how we have done this, let's see. So here you can see I'm having this json.parse and json.stringify. So that's how you can break this reference from any variable, that is array or object. And after clicking on the apply filter also, we are just breaking this reference. Okay, that's how this thing is working. Let's take few more things. For example, I'm having this array. Okay, called 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, not 1 comma 2. Let's take an object name code getty, like this. Okay, let's zoom this, and then another object called name Ashwini. Okay, then Yeah, this one. So I'm having this array, okay, and what I want to have copy of this array like this. Okay, now if I'm going to update this copy, okay, and then 0 equals to uh, and dot name equals to code catty 2. Okay, so you can see I have updated this copy, not this array. But if I'll try to console this, then you'll find out that the state of my previous variable is also going to be updated. So this is the same situation I was talking about here. This is happening because I have provided the reference of this variable here. That's why this is happening. And then how to fix this? Let's do one thing. Let's say I'm having const copy 2, okay, and I'll do the same thing, array, okay. But instead of writing array directly, what I can say, json dot stringify then array, okay, and before passing it as a string, we can say json dot parse and then enter copy 2 dot, sorry, 0 index, then dot name equals to something different name, I'll say something, okay. Now let's print it out, array. Then you'll find out that my thing, that the name of the first index variable is not going to be updated because we have broken this reference here itself, okay. Let's take an example of primitive data type. So for example, I'm having a name variable, okay, and here it's a code catty, okay, and I'm having different variable called name 2, and I'm going to pass that name here. And if I'll update name 2 like my name, okay, enter, okay. So because that is a const variable, that thing won't work. Let name 3 equals to name like this, okay. Name 2 is already defined, let's make it name 3, okay. Now name 3 equals to my name, okay, and then hit enter. Then if I'll print name, then there won't be any change under this name variable. So this is how this thing will work. Only with array and object you'll figure out this kind of situation, and with the primitive data type there won't be any need of breaking the syntax, sorry, breaking the reference, okay. So that's how this thing will work. And if you really learned something from this video, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.